Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. From here I am select a part modeling and then OK. Now we will select the top plane or a side as we want. And make a rectangle of 60 and 40 mm. 60 mm is the length and width is 40 mm. And make a circle and trim extra portions and make a circle in inside circle that is 16 mm diameter and then exit, select extrude and put it value 12 mm. Select side face as a plane make a rectangle of 20 mm height and 40 mm width. Width. Profile are same and then make a circle trim entities and make another circle (16 mm) diameter and then exit, extruded boss feature, select sketch and select direction as a reverse. Select a face as a sketch plane and create a rectangle 40-20. Make center point arc start to end and then trim entities and make a center circle of 16 mm diameter. And then go to feature tab and select extruded boss and put it on reverse direction and then OK. And now we select a back face as a plane, sketch plane and sketch, make a rectangle again, $60 mm from here, make a center arc, select center, start point and end point, and trim entities, and make a circle of 16 mm diameter, and then enter finish. Again, go to feature tab and select extruded boss feature and select sketch, and direction is reverse and OK. Our drawing is finished. One more thing remaining. We can create edge fillet on various edge of 5 mm, and then OK. Our drawing is finished. You can see. If any difficulty you have, if facing any difficulty you have, then please comment and tell us. Thanking you for watching the video. Have a nice day.